farm support ship hit freighter in Baltic Sea. Wind farm support ship WORLD BORA collided with cargo ship RABA at around 0750 LT February 19 in Baltic Sea off Rugen Island, Germany. RABA was en route from Denmark to Szczecin, Poland. Judging from damages sustained by both ships, WORLD BORA struck freighter STB in cargo holds area in front of superstructure, itself sustaining both damages. Both ships after collision sailed to Sassnitz Rugen under own power, for inspection and investigation. Of 15 people on board of WORLD BORA, all said to suffer injures, 2 of them were injured so seriously, that had to be airlifted to hospital. General cargo ship RABA, IMO 8,415,172, DWT 2325, built 1984, flag Cyprus, manager Wind Shipping Denmark, EQUASIS. Wind farms support trimaran WORLD BORA, IMO 9,684,304, GT 352, built 2014, flag Denmark.